How to use Extrude Boss in offset SolidWorks software. At first open the SolidWorks software. Then go to file and new part. Okay. Then go to front plane, sketch, draw the circle. We need 3 circles and give the dimension 150. Okay, now this circle 130. Okay, this circle 120. Okay, now I go to line and draw the line. Okay, select. Now give the dimension, origin point and this line distance 10. Now I need trim. I go to trim. Now this line, cut. Okay, now go to feature, extrude. Now we make bearing block. This click, we need 200. Okay, now we need this way cut, in cut. Now go to boss extrude, plus click and sketch click. Now there are show circle sketch and go to feature, and extrude cut. Go to extrude cut. Now this face click. We need offset tools, use offset. We need offset 100. Okay, now need direction change, offset and dia 20. Okay, now this is not center, we can use mid plane. Now there are center. Okay, we'll go to check it. Now there are cut 20 mm and after 100 offset. They are making bearing block. Thank you all everybody. Share and like. You have any